Have you ever wondered about the beauty and diversity of Mauritius? This island nation in the Indian Ocean is a gem waiting to be discovered. Located about 2,000 kilometers off the southeast coast of the African continent, Mauritius is a world of its own, brimming with stunning beaches, coral reefs, and a vibrant multicultural society. The capital, Port Louis, is a bustling city, the largest in Mauritius. Here, the official languages of English, French, and Mauritian Creole echo through the busy streets. This linguistic diversity reflects the island's rich history, which saw it gain independence from Britain in 1968. The population of Mauritius, around 1.3 million, is as diverse as its languages. The island is a melting pot of cultures with influences from Indian, African, Chinese, and European traditions. This multiculturalism is the beating heart of Mauritius, adding color and flavor to everything from its architecture to its cuisine. Speaking of cuisine, Mauritius offers a culinary journey like no other. With a fusion of Indian, Chinese, African, and European influences, the food here is an adventure in itself. From spicy curries to fragrant biryanis and tangy rougai, every dish tells a story. But beyond its cultural riches, Mauritius is also known for its breathtaking natural beauty. The island is famous for its pristine beaches such as Bellemare, Trou-aux-Biches, and Le Morne. Each beach is a paradise in its own right, with crystal clear waters lapping against white sandy shores. Mauritius is more than just beautiful beaches, though. The island is a biodiversity hotspot, home to unique flora and fauna, including the rare pink pigeon and the giant Aldabra tortoise. Sadly, the island was once home to the now extinct dodo bird, a symbol of the urgent need for conservation efforts. And it's not just the biodiversity that's extraordinary. Mauritius is also home to two UNESCO World Heritage Sites, Apravasi Ghat, a former immigration depot, and Le Morne Cultural Landscape, a rugged mountain that holds deep cultural significance. But what sets Mauritius apart in recent years is its commitment to eco-tourism. The island is making strides in promoting sustainable tourism practices to preserve its natural beauty and biodiversity. From restoring mangroves to implementing carbon-neutral initiatives, Mauritius is leading the way in environmental consciousness in the tourism sector. To sum up, Mauritius is an island that offers much more than just a holiday. It's a place of rich culture, diverse wildlife, and stunning landscapes. But more importantly, it's an island that recognizes the value of its natural treasures and is taking bold steps to protect them for future generations. Indeed, the resilience and history of overcoming challenges position Mauritius well for navigating the transition towards sustainable tourism practices. So, if you're looking for a travel destination that offers both beauty and sustainability, Mauritius is the place to be. It's an island that invites you to discover, explore, and make memories, all while respecting and preserving its natural wonders.